Hey everyone, my name's Kevin. And today we got an awesome recipe for you. Deep fried grilled cheese sandwich.
I'm Kevin Funk. Join me as I share my love of all things food and the passion for the outdoors.
All right, on today's episode, we are gonna deep fry a grilled cheese sandwich. We are taking pancake mix, 1 cup, water, 2/3 of a cup, goat cheese, mozzarella, gouda, and we got a cinnamon and brown sugar bread. We're gonna mix our pancake mix. Got a bowl here, toss her in, add in the water. I'm gonna take a spoon and just mix it up. If you have a whisk, awesome. Spoon works fine. We got it on our induction cooktop, canola oil, enough to cover the sandwich when you put it in there. We're gonna take our bread, lay it out in front of us, take the cheese, I added 5 of these. All right, this is goat cheese. I'm just gonna break it off into little chunks. Top layer on top, give it a little bit of a push. And now we're gonna bread this thing in the pancake mix. And we're gonna lay this into the oil. Now I'm just gonna let that sit there. If your cheese slices were thick, throw it in the oven at a lower temperature for 10 minutes. Just be sure that you don't burn this outside and you'll be good to go. The ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for our next one and don't forget to subscribe.